To find your x-intercepts, you would let y be 0, and that would leave me with x plus a, x times x plus b. And then you'd set each one of those equal to 0 because the only way you multiply two numbers together and get 0 is if one of them's 0. So x plus a equals 0 or x plus b equals 0. And x equals negative a or x equals negative b. I may not need to do that. I'm not sure why I did. Clue 1 says a plus b equals negative 1. Well, that tells me nothing. So what does 2 tell me? 2 says graph-intercept, the y-intercept is 0, negative 6. Well, that doesn't help me find the y-intercept. That doesn't help me find the x-intercept because I don't know what the slope is. So let's put both of them together now. So this is an ordered pair, x and y, and we know it will satisfy this equation. So let's let y equal, y is negative 6, so that would be negative 6 equals 0 plus a, 0 plus b. So that tells me negative 6 equals a times b. And then I can take clue 1 and solve it for either a or b and plug it in here and solve to find a and b. I wouldn't do that on the GBAT, but I know I can do it, but I want to make sure that you know what I'm talking about. So if I let a be negative 1 minus b, that would be negative 6 equals a, which is negative 1 minus b times b, and you could solve that equation for b. And then negative b would be the answer up here. So your answer, and then you could go back, once you know what b is, you could plug b back in here and solve for a, allowing you to find that. So your answer is C, both of them together.